Juang jalajan pinkanya Rigathi Gachagua koro jiwo mondo mi pinje Afrika ubi kanyakla mano mar bero chike matayo omenda mondo kor kanyuolo chiemo ne pinjego. Gachagua molose romo malalruok mag pinje witie mar chiemo wacho ni chenro mar omenda mano matie pinje Afrika oketo lwasi maber mar dongo pinjego yor chiemo. Kuoni midhiero mar kech pod medo hinyo pinje mag Afrika romo no bagiro e boma mar Roma e piny Italy.
Was officially launched at the Food System Summit in 2020
and linking them to wider health programs. In today's session,
to harness this opportunity for systemic change and boost.
We have embraced financial inclusivity by creating a 10 billion Kenya shillings fund for the Hustler Nation. The Hustler Nation are the ordinary people who are the majority in terms of food production. There before, there has been a great challenge in accessing affordable credit to enable farmers to buy inputs and to buy the right certified seeds. As a result of that financial inclusivity to the people at the bottom of the pyramid, many farmers are able now to produce food and produce the right yield.
Kora mga jonga tamalo prauchiel maroganda thoro bedo gi tuo